Mwakaba Edwell and Text. If you're first time our channel, so make sure to subscribe to the channel, not any post notification on, so that anytime I may make update our channel with on YouTube for more notification. Okay. So, what you say is our channel where and so we will be our try so set up a side hustling like job I'll be to make income. Okay. So on this particular platform, to make sure say may assist to and I say more tips and then guidelines. So many ways I'll be to make his car and I say in the easiest way I'll be to make his car online. Okay. So to in the video, in Bible Chair, I'll be to make his car with one of the easiest and then in the world, I think literally in Ghana. Okay, this particular app, we to make withdrawals with even mobile money. And we here say compare like paper account and I say any bank account be a foreign account. Okay. So now we making a strategy and I'll be to me fast now we make this and also strategy now we making like simple. Okay, and yet anything complicated be and I say anything be require like a lot of hard work be as okay. So my call app no so I'm sure that particular app no, okay. And then also when I'll be fast I'll be to make this or this particular app no so. Okay. So app needing the achieve. Okay. Nim say nkofo bebre enim this particular app but nim the use of the app no. Okay. Now this achieve app no, is like a savings app. Okay. Organization almost I say like they've created the app for Obia maybe always car and then there's money no person keep you on the mobile money more abra like on you soon is here. Okay. So and so create account I'll be creating. Who create here? That's the kind of wouldn't say person be using is here. The other say what they start scan like ever to that account in. Omo de be ejuma but enye say anytime bia wo hia osika bia wo request for ombe can be man okay but the moment I already akoto that wo account ni e wo no is like who invest e wo ejuma omo mo ye ni okay so the moment I will invest wo mu no e say wo sika na we dey invest ni e generate like income amount okay so and then also in a way I say the least like they above from to the extent say even ukita 10 cedis crowd to me investment now here ukita 10 cedis crowd so to me invest or that particular investment in. Okay. So now this is the way I'm about sure wait me make iska or that particular platform. So even if say uniska and I say who you be a who person who say is it real say I'm passing this particular app no or masika with just like we investment okay. Now this is what ASL will who create account now say the thing is happen because of every norm person be like because sikasam on be say won feel secure say we do sika beto and your an sanya man on be require for Ghana card okay Ghana card no so nya say bia wo be bo pin na hye wa na bibi on be ma wo twa Ghana card na nkasa picture e da amom and sana on do be fa registration process mu e app no so if say person who registration no so like we share we ni mu a video na follow steps na be ma ni na then follow that steps na register make sure say the be on be bisa obi a be ma information I wouldn't say like legit real information because sikasam into no ogunya come wrong information na yakoba say bia ukọ withdraw and say say unji bibi wo ho no normal request na ekọ different na I just say like a bit say obi a fraud okay because of sikasam na account na real into no make sure say security no tight so make sure say bibi on baby say obi provide them with your real information. All right. Okay. So now the thing is this is the way I'll be first one we make sika or this particular account no. Even if say we will be a win sika okay now okay account no area no on be request say for like a minimum amount of like 10 cedis investment okay now the moment I will be your first deposit of 10 cedis omanga so on be 10 cedis account na abe 20 cedis until literally no what it means say we make it like investment 20 cedis or that particular account okay all right now on feel secured o pese wo sika na ho no wi because on pese wo sika be she okay now for I think like because of one person who say am pese why investment into no sa sika no dey too mo ma on here withdraw at that moment now okay every time I think for like 2 or 3 hours later after we withdraw with 10 cedis in the back, we will now make 10 cedis no more money man. So I bet say we make investment of 10 cedis after there. Okay. Now the next thing you have to do again is sisi a wɔn mpɛ sɛ wɔde wo sika ɛbɛhyɛ mu biem 10 cedis nso deɛ ɛn generate enough like income ɛma wo ɛwɔ saa investment na wayɛ mu. So this is the way a wɔbɛfa so a wɔbɛtumi making more money ɛwɔ that particular app. Okay, now wo refer wo code yɛwɔ referral code anaasɛ link ɛwɔ app no mu. Okay, wonya create account for ɔmo de bɛma wo. Okay, na wo refer wo account wo referral code ɛde ma w'adamfo na oyi so link ne de kɔ app no mu kɔyɛ registration pɛ. That w'adamfo no so na ɛbɛma no 10 cedis. Okay, na ɔno so wo so yɛama wo 10 cedis. Okay, now literally no wasan benya wo 10 cedis back. So in other way, we make investment of what 20 cedis. Nti bisa ho sɛ what if sɛ wo make sure sɛ wo send link na na wo refer ma about 10 people and here now we make it 100 cedis, right? Okay, so now the more I refer man nkɔfɔ no that more na wonye sika, that more na so na at the end of the day no investment income ɛbɛkɔ high. Okay, so this is one of the easiest way you able to make sika with this particular Achieve app. Make sure say we use this referral code in our description box. Okay, make sure say we copy. Now we do refer we use that link in edit and download the app so that also when you that 10 cedis bonus. Okay, so this is one of the easiest way able to make sika. Make sure say video here be mboa mo say na be bibia we be able to make sika now so they are. Okay, so make sure to subscribe to the channel, not any post notification on. Now they show appreciation. I will make this research and make it mboa we abro. Okay.